Welcome to this first video in our series on how companies can digitally transform themselves using the latest technologies. Today we are going to talk about how artificial intelligence, AI, advanced analytics and digital twins are revolutionizing business management. If you are a CEO, general manager, or responsible for a key area in your company, this video is for you. I will show you how these tools not only improve decision-making, but also optimize resources and increase efficiency at every level. Traditionally, many companies have relied on methods that are now becoming obsolete. Spreadsheets, decisions based on intuition or previous experience, processes that rely on many hands and little automation. This has worked for a while, but today this approach is insufficient. In a world of rapidly changing markets and accelerating competition, business management needs to be agile, data-driven, and able to adapt to change before it is too late. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic technology. In the business world, its main power lies in its ability to analyze large volumes of data and find patterns that would be impossible to detect manually. In practice, AI allows companies to automate processes and make faster and more accurate decisions. Take sales, for example. With AI, you can analyze your customers' buying behavior, anticipate their needs, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Can you imagine a company where every decision is data-driven, where problems are identified before they arise? That's what AI offers. A new level of control and predictability that allows managers to make more informed and confident decisions. Advanced analytics is the next step for companies that already collect data, but are not making the most of it. With predictive modeling and machine learning algorithms, advanced analytics allows managers to foresee problems before they occur and anticipate market trends. What differentiates advanced analytics from other forms of analytics is its ability to move from descriptive analytics, which tells you what happened, to predictive analytics, which tells you what will happen, and finally to prescriptive analytics, which tells you what you should do. Companies like Netflix and Google have perfected the use of advanced analytics to recommend products, optimize their platforms, and anticipate the needs of their users. But this technology is available to any company, regardless of size. Finally, we come to digital twins. This concept may sound complex, but its value is simple to understand. A digital twin is a virtual replica of your company's physical processes, systems, or products. In other words, it is a digital model that allows you to analyze the actual behavior of your business in real time. With digital twins, managers can do extraordinary things, such as simulate production changes before implementing them, anticipate machine failures, or test different strategies to optimize resources without disrupting real operations. Think about the impact. If you can simulate your operations before you carry them out, you will know exactly how a new strategy will affect your supply chain, your employees, or even your customers. All this without taking risks in the physical world. What is most impressive is when we combine these three technologies: AI, advanced analytics, and digital twins. Each on its own already has a big impact, but when companies integrate them, the results are exponential. Imagine a company where AI algorithms predict future product demand, advanced analytics optimize production resources, and digital twins simulate the impact of strategic decisions before they are implemented. With this combination, managers have in their hands an extremely powerful tool to improve efficiency, increase productivity, and reduce costs. Now that you know how artificial intelligence, advanced analytics, and digital twins can transform the way you run your business, it's time to take the next step. Digital transformation is not just for large corporations. It is available to all companies looking to optimize their operations and make better decisions. If you want to know more about how these technologies can benefit your company, feel free to contact me on LinkedIn. Together, we can design a strategy that will take your company to the next level of efficiency and competitiveness. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos about the technological revolution in business management.